Yo, what up? It's your boy Cheese and welcome to a brand new video here on the channel. Today I'm going to talk about these Beyer Dynamic DT-770 Pro, the studio legends. We are going to unbox these together. I'm going to use them for music productions in FL Studio and also for video productions. So what we got first out of the box is a bag. This bag is specifically for the headphone itself. You can write some information on it like your name, address, phone number on email, just in case if you forget it somewhere. Just like with any other product, this box is full with instructions. You can read them, but you can also throw them away. I don't think a lot of people are actually going to read what is in these instructions. It's a headphone. People basically know how to use one. Okay, so let's throw the instructions away and let's go for the most important part, which is of course the DT-770 Pro itself. I want to start off with saying there are a couple of different 770 editions. There is like an 80 ohm and this one is 250 ohm. Ohm basically stands for impedance. Impedance is actually something that a headset can own. For example, streetwear headphones that you plug into your, for example, mobile phone or whatever, could be around 32 ohm. If you go up to 80 ohm, you're talking about laptops. And if you're talking about producing, mixing, mastering of music or doing video edits, you can talk about 200 plus ohm. This has to do with the amplifier, and you have to adjust the right headphone to the right amplifier, if I'm making any sense to you guys. You can use the DT-770 on a bigger amplifier, like for example a Focusrite, which I'm owning. I will show you that in a second, but also on a laptop. As you can screw this TRS or 6.3mm jack. If you screw it off, it would actually have a 3.5mm jack, so you can use both of them. You can also unbutton the upper bit of the headset. You can just take the top part off and I think replace it if it's broken. I have no clue why they added this feature to this headphone, but it's there apparently. A quick fact, the human ear goes from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And this headset actually goes from 5 Hz to 30,000 Hz. That's even a bigger reach that you can actually hear. Another thing that I just really seem to enjoy is that the headset is really soft. You can wear this thing, it's so comfortable. You can wear it for, I guess, the whole entire day and you won't have any trouble with that. The cable is really long, but it's not annoying because it's stretchable, so it's not like laying around the whole entire room. So the 6.3mm jack, or call it the TRS, is going to my amplifier where I adjust the volume. I have a video on this amplifier in the description, make sure to check it out. If you screw off the TRS piece, you can actually put it in your laptop, in your PC, because now you'll have the 3.05 I was talking about before. You can put this in your PC, anything that has this aux. A lot of people just call it aux. So there you go. That's how to do it. So they actually had these headphones at my school, and the very first time I listened through them, I was like, I have to get these things. Like, I put this thing on my head. I had it on, I guess, for like 15 seconds, and I just instantly went to a website and ordered the product freaking fast, just because I loved it. You can hear everything in detail, and it's really a monitoring headset. That means the sound is really flat. You will hear everything that is going on in a music mix, in a video production, and I'm just really in love with them. If you guys really like this video, by the way, give it a big thumbs up. Want to see me more often, make sure to subscribe down below. I have much more product videos here on the channel, also about these KRKs. If you want to see those videos, make sure to check out the description or click on the video right now. This was Cheese. Peace.